In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson ColorWorks C3500 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson ColorWorks C3500 support. Best results come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson ColorWorks C3500. Go ahead and open that up and then select your operating system from the drop-down menu and select Go. And then scrolling down, you want to expand the driver section and select the print driver download in here. Open up that file once it's done downloading. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Let this file unpack and then just go through the on-screen setup wizard about configuring your printer for your personal preferences on your device. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.